Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang. I'm a franchise consultant of iFranchise Business Services Corporation. So in today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay yung question na bakit coffee shop business? So syempre marami iba't ibang klase ng businesses na pwede mong i-franchise or pwede mong simulan, 'di ba? Pero ano ba yung mga reasons kung bakit nako-consider ng mga tao nagtatayo ng business or even yung mga magtatayo pa lang ng business, yung coffee shop? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na to. Okay, so isa sa napansin ko, usually yung mga nag inquire sa akin ng mga clients na interesado na magtayo ng coffee shop, pag tinanong mo sila kung bakit nila kino-consider ang coffee shop business, some of them would say na dahil sa coffee lover sila, nagkaroon sila ng interest or they have this idea of putting up their own coffee shop business. Kasi nga, mahilig sila sa kape, di ba? Mga coffee lovers. So, parang gusto din nila na magtayo ng sarili nilang coffee shop. So, that could be one reason kung bakit coffee shop business ang i-consider mo na itayo. Like me, I'm a coffee lover. Like, I drink, sa tingin ko, nakakaubos ako ng 3 to 5 cups of coffee a day, minsan more than pa siguro. So, sobrang coffee lover ako. And, ako rin mismo, gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili kong coffee shop business. I also want to have my own coffee shop. Like, matagal ko nang pinaplano na magkaroon ng sarili kong coffee shop business. So, that could really be a reason why you would want to consider putting up a coffee shop business or start a coffee shop business, diba? So, another reason, former barista. Marami na akong coffee shop na napuntahan. Dahil nga coffee lover ako, diba? So, I really visit a lot of coffee shops. And kapag na-interview ko sila, so nagtatanong ako, yes, na-interview ko sila. And isa sa napansin ko, yung iba talaga, former barista. I mean, naging barista employee sila and then later on, they started to put up their own coffee shop. Kasi nga, natuto na sila, di ba, on the flow of the business, nagkaroon na sila ng idea how to start their own coffee shop business. So, that could be a reason why you would consider or put up a coffee shop business kasi nga former barista ka na or may kilala ka na barista and then makikipag-partner sa'yo kasi malamang naikwento niya sa'yo na maganda, profitable, talagang okay tong coffee shop business na to, diba? So that could be one reason. May mga naging clients din talaga ako na nag-inquire sa amin sa coffee spot franchise namin na some of them would already tell me na former barista sila so they're considering to put up their own coffee shop business and sila yung matanong regarding sa quality ng coffee beans, saan nanggagaling, yung supply, and all that. Kasi nga, former barista sila. So, they have thorough knowledge na rin dun sa mga beans na ginagamit nila for sure dun sa coffee shop na naging barista sila. So, another reason kung bakit coffee shop business ang i-consider na itayo, maybe because you're already a resort owner at naisip mo na pwede kang maglagay ng coffee shop sa iyong resort. So just like one of our clients na naglagay ng coffee spot franchise or coffee shop business sa kanyang resort. Kasi isipin mo na lang, kung resort owner ka, tapos may sarili kang coffee shop business sa resort mo. Imbes na lumabas yung mga guests mo sa resort para bumili pa ng pagkain or kumain pa sa labas, diba? Tapos babalik sa resort mo. Kung nasa loob na mismo ng resort mo yung coffee shop, tapos sa coffee shop mo, hindi lang naman coffee drinks or milk tea or kung ano-anong drinks ang pwede mong i-offer dyan. Kasi nakita nyo naman, kung mapapanood nyo yung isang video na ginawa ko, diniscuss ko dun kung bakit magandang business ang coffee shop. Kasi 3 business in 1 na siya. Biruin mo, pwede ka mag-offer nga ng coffee, ng milk tea, ng iba't ibang klaseng drinks, diba? And then at the same time, pwede ka mag-offer ng breakfast meals, ng mga hot meals, fries, pasta, and then at the same time, pastries, like yung mga desserts, mga cakes, mga brownies, cupcakes na pwede mong i-offer. So, imaginein mo na lang yung mga guests mo sa resort, pag pumunta sila dyan sa coffee shop mo within your resort, order sila ng coffee or ng kahit anong drinks dyan, tapos magbe-breakfast din sila dyan or kakain sila ng hot meals, and then after that, mag-order pa sila ng dessert, kung ano man yung ino-offer mo na dessert dyan. Imaginein mo kung magkano yung kikitain mo sa coffee shop business mo na nasa resort, and at the same time, kumita ka pa kasi nga, guest mo din sila sa resort mo. 'Di ba? So that's one thing that you can consider. Kung resort owner ka ngayon at wala ka pang coffee shop business, then maybe kung napapanood mo tong video na to, I hope you got an idea kung ano pa yung pwede mong maging additional source of income sa iyong resort kapag nag-add ka ng coffee shop business. Another one is that if you're a hotel owner at wala ka pang coffee shop sa iyong hotel, then you might possibly get an idea here na pwede kang maglagay ng coffee shop sa iyong hotel. Para yung mga guests nyo sa hotel, instead of going to other coffee shops or other restaurants near your hotel, then they could just dine in and grab some coffee or get some pastries or anything that you will offer in your coffee shop business na nasa hotel nyo na mismo. So at least, diba, sa'yo pa rin yung income na yon. So, I hope that you got an idea. So, kagaya nga na nakikita nyo dito sa picture, no, meron kaming client na hotel owner at nag-franchise sa amin ng coffee spot. So, naisip niya yung idea na yon na maglagay ng coffee shop sa kanyang hotel. Or maybe currently you're an entrepreneur already and you just want to have a diversification of business. So, pwedeng may mga current businesses ka na that is not really related in starting a coffee shop business, pero gusto mo lang na magtayo ng ibang business that is so different from the current business that you're doing kasi you want this business to be a new venture for you, something na gusto mong pag-aralan, something na gusto mong matuto as an entrepreneur pa. So, it would be a good idea for you. You would be doing a lot of research, business planning, 'di ba, na very different dun sa line of business na sobrang familiar ka na. So, pwede naman na you just want to put up a coffee shop business because you find it intriguing, 'di ba, na parang magandang pag-aralan na magtayo ng ganitong klaseng business, and because I'm already an entrepreneur, then why not take the risk in getting into this kind of business? And then another reason is because you see that it's a profitable business. So, I'm recommending that you watch the video that I created, yung bakit magandang business ang coffee shop, kasi diniscuss ko doon yung profitability ng isang coffee shop business, and you can get an idea there kung bakit nga ba profitable tong business na to. And usually naman, if you will do your research, talagang makikita mo na yung coffee shop right now as a business is really profitable. And then another one is because it's trending, 'di ba? Kagaya nga na nakikita nyo, pinipilahan pa, so pinupuntahan talaga. And I'm sure marami na kayong nakikita sa Facebook feeds ninyo, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa iba't ibang stories, sa iba't ibang reels, na talagang nagte-trending ang mga coffee shop businesses. Okay? So, because it's trending, then you are able to get an idea sometimes kung ano yung trending na business, diba? Yun yung naiisip din talaga natin na business. And because nagte-trending ang coffee shop, then syempre maiisip mo na rin, why not? Why not put up my own coffee shop? Since it's trending, it's profitable, and maybe you're a coffee lover. So, sama-sama na yun na pwedeng maging reason kung bakit ka magpuput up ng coffee shop business. So, for those who will be interested to start their own coffee shop business, pwedeng may idea ka na, or pwedeng gusto mo mag-start from scratch, or pwedeng ang gusto mong gawin is mag-franchise muna ng coffee shop business para mas maging sigurado ka kapag nagpatayo ka nga talaga or nag-start ka ng iyong coffee shop business. So, I'm just going to discuss with you that we are offering our coffee spot franchise. It's open for franchise nationwide for 750,000 pesos only. It comes with a franchise package inclusions. And as you can see on your screen, it already comes with perspective store design, CS counter, lighted circle signage, and menu TV display plus equipment sets. Kasama na dyan yung espresso machine, grinder, blender, metal tamper, bench support, knockbox, steaming pitcher, milk thermometer, one-pack echo cleaner, marketing collaterals with celebrity ambassador, opening support with celebrity appearance. Si Danielle Machanaga po usually yung celebrity that would open your coffee spot franchise. And then initial inventory worth 10,000 pesos, franchise and training manuals, 2 sets of barista uniform, and it's a 5 years contract at no royalty fee. Okay, so para sa mga interested po na mag-franchise ng coffee shop, then you might consider our Coffee Spot franchise package. And you can set an appointment with me today. We offer free food tasting, coffee tasting, franchise seminar, and it comes again with free crew training and business support and location assistance para sa mga gustong mag-open ng kanilang coffee shop. So I hope you were able to learn from this video discussing with you kung bakit nga ba coffee shop business, at for sure may mga iba sa inyo na nanood na nakarelate dun sa mga discuss kong reasons kung bakit coffee shop business yung pwede mong mai-consider na itayo. And for those who have questions or any inquiries dun sa mga interesado na mag-franchise sa amin ng coffee shop nila with our Coffee Spot franchise, you can contact me and we can set up an appointment, either an online or office meeting. So you can visit our office in Green Hills, Manila by appointment. Just contact me at 0970-641-1373 or email me at ifranchise.inquiry@gmail.com. So again, this is Lourdes Galang from iFranchise Business Services Corporation. I'm a franchise consultant, and I hope that you were able to learn from our video presentation today. So thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!